What's up? What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the Mod Garage. It's been a little while since we've posted a video. Unfortunately, we're sorry about that. But today we got a pretty exciting one for you here because I actually just bought a new car.
You did? Do you want to show them right away, or should we tease them a little bit?
We're
gonna tease you a little bit.
Tease you a little bit. As you just saw, this is my new car. It's a 1995 Eagle Talon. It's the TSI, so the all-wheel drive turbo, and it's got a 5-speed, so it's definitely the one you want to get. Heck yeah. And I freaking love it so far.
Being Canadian car guys, we're always struggling to find cheap all-wheel drive manual turbo cars. That's why I bought my Audi personally. I was looking for a Subaru, and so was Noah, and he found this. And this just came across the right deal, and it's going to be absolutely killer in the winter.
Oh yeah, that was the main point of this car, is because winter is going to be coming around pretty soon here, and I want something fun to drive in the winter. So.
Absolutely.
So yeah, it's got the 4G63 in it. It's actually the 4G63 out of a 1G Talon, so the generation before. So that got swapped in here. It was rebuilt by the previous owner about 10,000 kilometers ago. So the timing belt was done, head gasket's done. It's got forged pistons in it. It's got a big front mount intercooler, all aluminum intercooler piping, aftermarket turbo manifold, a Mishimoto rad, electric fans, full HKS catback exhaust. So a lot of goodies on it. Just running around 12 pounds of boost, so basically just stock boost.
Pretty conservative.
Pretty conservative right now, but she still parties for sure. It's fun.
It's more than enough for the winter. Maybe next summer we'll turn it up.
Totally. And this is my first turboed car, and I'm going from an Integra, which is not very fast in a straight line, to this. So this thing feels wicked to me right now, and I'm really excited on it. It's awesome.
Yeah, you gain like 100 horsepower, 2 extra drive wheels.
Literally. So.
And a turbo.
Exactly. It makes all the good noises.
Yeah, it's kind of funny that Noah bought this car, because now he owns two-door hatchback 4-cylinder cars. Yeah. And they look very similar beside each other.
Yeah, just body style wise, they're very kind of similar shapes.
You have no friends, hey? No 4-doors?
No friends for this boy.
But yeah, let's check out the exhaust in this bad girl. It's gonna be a kind of long clip, but it's fine. Give her a fist test.
It's gonna be really hot.
Oh yeah, it'll be a little warm.
Fistable.
Big gal. Yeah, and it's HKS catback. Yeah?
Yeah,
right?
Full HKS catback.
It's coated black too, you can see in there. It looks pretty freaking sweet.
Oh yeah.
Also check out the booty on this thing, like, she's thick. I don't know, in our opinion, the Eagle Talon bumper looks a lot better than the Eclipse bumper.
Yeah, I like the Eclipse front end, I think is way better, but the rear end on the Talon is my preference. So the way it's set up right now is kind of how I would have done it anyway.
Yeah, the rear bumper on the Eclipse is just a little more swollen. I like the look of that one better. Yeah. And then the front bumper from the Eclipse is better looking than the Talon bumper for a long shot.
Way better. So yeah, I don't know, she definitely needs some love. But I got it for a wicked deal. So, you know, put some work into it and it should be a wicked car.
Yeah, she needs a few aesthetic things, a few little mechanical things.
And you just really don't see them on the road that often, which I think is really cool.
No, like, yeah, when you went to get this insured, the people thought it was a motorcycle. They had no idea what kind of car it was.
Yeah, it was like, what kind of car is it? I'm like, oh, it's a 1995 Eagle Talon. They're like, is that a motorcycle or something? I've never heard of that before, so that was kind of cool.
But yeah, they're definitely different. Not going to be just like every other Subaru guy out there. So yeah, we're both pretty stoked on this thing. Noah's really stoked on this thing.
Oh yeah, I love this thing.
Yeah.
Do some driving clips?
Yeah, let's go for a drive.
All right, hell yeah.
You're rolling.
fuck.